In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new repository on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your GitHub profile. Once you're logged in, head over to the top of the page where you'll see various tabs. Look for the one labeled Repositories. Click on that tab to view all your existing repositories or to start creating a new one. Now that you're in the right place, what you want to do next is create a new repository. Look for the green button that says New. It's usually located towards the upper right corner of the repositories page. Click on this button and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can start configuring your repository settings. Here comes the fun part. In the first field, you'll want to enter a relevant name for your repository. Make it something that reflects the project you're working on, as this is how others will identify it in the future. After you've done that, you'll notice an option to choose the visibility of your repository. You can select either public or private. If you choose public, anyone can see your repository. If you choose private, only you and the people you invite can view it. Think carefully about what fits your project best. Next, you'll find an option to add a README file. Having a README is a great idea because it provides essential information about what your project is about. Make sure to check this option to include a README right from the start. After configuring these settings, you're almost ready to create your repository. All that's left to do is click the Create Repository button located at the bottom of the page. Once you've clicked that button, congratulations! You've just created a new repository. Now, let's move on to editing that README file we just added. To do this, find the readme.md file in your newly created repository's main page. Once you locate it, you'll see a pencil icon at the top right corner next to the file name, which is the edit function for this file. Go ahead and click that pencil icon to start editing. Now you can add your project description. This is your opportunity to explain what your project does, how to set it up, and any other important details that someone viewing your repository might need to know. Make sure to be clear and concise. Writing a good description can significantly impact how others perceive your project. Once you've finished editing and you're happy with description, let's move on to committing your changes. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a field where you can enter a short commit message. This message serves as a summary of what changes you made. It's a good habit to make these messages meaningful. Make sure to keep the option that says Commit directly to the main branch selected. After you've entered your commit message, the final step is to click that Commit Changes button. And that's it. You've successfully created a new repository on GitHub, edited the README file, and committed your changes. Great job!